Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to say thank you so much for the rates and the comments on my last look. So today I am doing another beauty makeup tutorial, and I won't ramble on like my last video and I'll just get straight into it with the look. So let's go. So guys, the look is complete. It's very sort of Jokeresk, acid sort of poisony look. I don't know what I was going for, but yeah, I'm actually really enjoying it. I've also put a nice purple bobble in just to fit with the makeup, and paired it with, they are fake by the way, some fake stretchers which are purple and black. But yeah, I am actually really digging this look. So if you do like what you see guys, please rate, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also please follow me on Instagram, Twitter, my TikTok, anything. All the links are below in the description, please. And also just type in Housebound MUA because it's not really a name you're going to forget very easily. But yeah, so if you do like what you see guys, please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.